Hello Heathlands at home, it's Helen here again and we're back this week with another origami instruction. So if you remember back right at the beginning of the year, just after New Year, we did these lovely little fox faces that we decorated with different expressions. So what I thought we'd do today is to do a slightly more complicated fox. So here, if the camera will focus for me. No. It's not going to. If I clear away the fox faces maybe. Here, there we go, is a lovely little fox. Now I've done this in kind of an icy blue paper, so he's like an Arctic fox. But we'll also make him with this lovely fox red orange. So, to start off with, we using our standard origami paper, and the instructions will be in your activity book and the paper will be in your packs. If you're using traditional origami paper like me, you need to start with the wrong side showing up. So the first thing we're going to do is fold our paper in half diagonally. And we're going to do that both ways. So that's one way, and that's the second way. Try and be as accurate as you can, and as always, nice crisp creases. So, now that we've folded it diagonally both ways, what we're going to do is these points on the long edge we're going to bring to meet up at the top point here. So, we're going to fold that down like so. So that's one side, and the other side. So, I'll just show you that again. We've taken our furthest points and brought it up to meet the middle, like so. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to fold this in half, but you're going to do that back on itself so that these flaps are open. So if I show you from the wrong side, you see this is nice flat smooth piece of paper. We're folding it in half like that. So the next thing we need to do is we're going to take this point here and we're going to fold it back on ourselves. That's Eva running around upstairs. So we're going to fold that down, not quite halfway, just like so. So it's only the very top point there that we've folded back on itself, and you can see we've already got the two ears of our fox made. Now the next step is the most complicated bit. You're going to take the middle point here, so if I show you from the side, we've got 3 layers. The middle layer, we're going to take that and we're going to open it up. So you can see from the side we can open it here. We're going to open that and fold it down to meet our first fold for our ear. And as we fold that down, that forms our fox's face. So the last thing that we need to do, now that we've formed his 2 ears and his face, is to just fold back this point here to make his tail. So that's quite a lot of layers of paper, so you need to use quite a firm press. And there we have our cute little fox. And I'm just going to take a black felt tip and I'm going to colour in the end of the face to make a little nose, and then just do a couple of little arcs for eyes. And there we have our lovely little sweet sleepy foxes. I hope you've enjoyed this one, guys, and we will see you again soon. Bye.